Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be going over French door wall ovens. Is it worth it? French door just means that it opens up on the top, just like that. Double door right on the top there. So this is the latest trend that we've seen with a couple different manufacturers. GE is probably one of the biggest ones. Blue Star, Viking, they both have these types of wall ovens. So first off, the design. In the kitchen, you're gonna have, like, a lot of times you have a French door refrigerator. And looking throughout the entire kitchen, it's hard to picture here, but this is gonna kind of match up. You got the double doors on top and the single door on the bottom, just like you do a French door refrigerator. So aesthetically, it's gonna look a little bit cleaner. Let's say, design-wise, as you open this up, let's say if you have a tight kitchen, it's a little hard to work around. With this, it cuts down the width to just half the door. So if you have a tight space, it's a lot easier to get around for that oven at the top. Now, imagine that this one has your bottom oven too, but you have to work around it a lot of times. But having that French door on the top, if you have a smaller kitchen, it's gonna work nice right up top there. Also, one-hand access, very easy to move and maneuver, and you can put your sheet in very easily. But these, sometimes they could be a little bit harder to move around. I know I just did it with one hand, but the design of these are just great, and it seems to be a good trend, and they've had a lot of positive feedback. But thanks guys for watching, and we'll see you guys next week.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.